So today we're heading to Dallas. Got up early this morning. Everything went smoothly. Get to the airport. Receive a little message. Oh, 15-minute delay. Okay, that's fine. That's cool. That's great. Sister goes to the restroom, comes back and is like, hey, our flight's not at 2, is it? So we end up delayed. Welcome to the Hyatt Regency DFW Airport, guys. It's been a long time coming. We got super delayed, but we are here. Here is the bathroom. Got you some 80s style mirrored doors. In this closet are my suitcases, an ironing board, and an iron. Here we have the bathroom. Pretty standard, pretty standard. Here's a shower. Here are the refillable bottles of shampoo, wash, conditioner. Trying to save the planet by not giving us complimentary miniature bottles to take home. All right, pay no attention to the man in the mirror, guys. Here we are traveling with the sisters. So these are double queen beds. The super large TV that Hyatt is really fond of with Chromecast, which I appreciate. Some drawers. We're not staying long enough to unpack, but I usually unpack. Some free water. The lady that checked us in told me to get more free water, but we have free water. A little. I'm glad she wants me to be hydrated. This is my baby Ray. Here's a little chair. Baby Ray again. Desk set up. Refrigerator out in the open standalone, but I appreciate a bigger refrigerator. My complaint for all hotels is there's no microwave, but of course they want you to go to the restaurant to eat hot food. All right, pretty standard all in all, but this hotel is meant to just be a resting place for travelers. It is a hotel restaurant. A very nice mirror. Make sure you're looking good before you get on the plane to get out of here. This room was actually upgraded per the person at the desk. This is apparently a room that has been renovated. It looks pretty nice. All right, guys, this is the Hyatt Regency DFW Airport. We're staying exactly one night and we'll be on the road again. Say goodbye.